Occasionally, I take walks around the neighborhood in which I live, and I witness the most beautiful gardens. And as a result, I wrote this poem. My walk takes me to a place. My walk takes me to a place in which I am encouraged and have confidence, like the slow plod of the snail in the moist shadows of the Agapanthus africanus. The snail has no burden of guilt and does not complain about the house it carries all night into the day. I gaze in at the snail asleep among the deep green, and I rest a moment in the peace of the Lord. The small kingdom of earth, this palace of light, alive in my eyes. I am radiant as the blue flowers and the tower of the Agapanthus. In this glimpse of the unattainable earth, the snail in his house, as fleeting as my own house.